Welcome to the middle of nowhere. I'm the guy that lives in the middle of nowhere, and today we're stuck in fucking Calgary. I'm at the Barlow at 64th here, the usual car meets. You see them on YouTube. I don't fucking know what their shit is. It's a lot of different things, a lot of cool stuff, a lot of burnouts. I've done it here a couple times, but today that's not my issue. Why I'm here? I'm stuck here. Not because I just can't go anywhere and I'm out of gas. No, because of this shit. Yeah, this fucking thing broke. White metal garbage. Typical fucking Ford. Apparently this has happened before. I managed to get this thing in fucking third gear. Like I can get it in third. But I figured out something else. Because that shaft goes in there, which is the same size as this. I can get it first, but I can't get second. I can get third, fourth, fifth, and my high gear sixth. High gear sixth is the most important one. Like if I can get third and sixth, I would be fine. Just get my ass home, because it's a bitch to get that out. I had to pull out that fucking sleeve. There's the console back there. Oh, fucking. Luckily it was easy. You just pull up on the back of this. Apparently, yeah. I watched a YouTube video, so whoever the fucking made that video, I'm gonna fucking send a like and all that shit to yours, because you saved my ass to fucking getting this thing out, because I have no idea how to get out without breaking something. I thought it was like the whole fucking this part here. I thought it was that to get that out, and then it just pulled up on this, and then it pulled it right out. It's so easy. So I'll go watch that video, and I'll fucking send a link to what saved my ass to get me to get to this point here. And that's what got me to be able to shift this, because I was literally sitting here playing and like, oh no. But yeah, that's white metal, so don't shift hard on your fucking shifters. I'm an engineer, I can build something around that. You just need a sleeve and a shifter. You can make something up, but that is what I am. That's the wife. Hi.
Hi.
And yeah, so we have our shifter.
Oh, there's the Mustang guy that stopped for us.
Oh, yeah. We got one of the guys that's here. So yeah, we're here at Barlow. That's the guy that comes help to ask, see if I was okay. That guy right there. I don't know who he is. This nice guy fucking asked.
The Joker.
Oh yeah, the Joker. That's what he has played. Yeah, the Joker. But I'm the guy from the middle of nowhere, stuck in Calgary. Hopefully get my ass home to get to my puppy. And like, subscribe, comment. And like always, have a good one. I'm gonna have to have one. Fuck, I'm gonna get drunk tonight. Fucking have this stress. Oh yeah. Talk to y'all later.